Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Now we'll deal with the subunit, that is the demolition of value education. How value education is being demolished day by day. We can fairly evaluate the significance of value education and disastrous effects of its demolition from a statement made by Lord Macaulay on February 2nd, 1835 in the British Parliament. In his words, "I have travelled across the length and breadth of India, and I have not seen one person who is a beggar, who is a thief. Such wealth I have seen in the country, such high moral values, people of such high caliber, that I do not think we would ever conquer this country unless we break the very backbone of this nation, which is her spiritual and cultural heritage, and therefore I purpose that we replace her old and ancient education system, her culture, for if the Indians think that all that is foreign and English is good and greater than their own, they will lose their self-esteem, their native self-culture, and they will become what we own them, a truly dominated nation." Then we can see also that this quotation exposes the fact that what we were and now what we are. It was Macaulay who introduced chalk and talk culture of education in India, and the result was our slavery. Think the disastrous effects of demolition of value education. A famous saying is that, should you want to peacefully destroy the nation, devalue its education and its religion. Now we see the next subunit of value education, that is value education and Vedanta. Developed in India ages ago, the science and philosophy of Vedanta reveal a universal, comprehensive, rational and practical philosophy of life possessing high intellectual and spiritual prestige. Life possessing high intellectual and spiritual prestige. It has attracted the attention of modern scientists. In a critical spirit of truth-seeking, British astronomer Arthur Eddington said, "You can neither understand the spirit of true science nor of true religion unless you keep seeking in the forefront." The philosophy of Vedanta breathes with such scientific temper and spirit. It is the product of a sustained rational questioning and investigation of experience, of inquiry into the true nature of man and his destiny, conducted by brilliant minds of ancient India thousands of years ago. They knew value education and preferred it only. Now we'll see the subunit, education and value education. Mandaka Upanishad revealed that knowledge is not only all positivistic knowledge such as physical sciences, economics, politics, sociology, but also all the world's ethnical religions and their body scriptures. Further, it explains that wisdom is matured knowledge and value education is a part of wisdom. A simple exam neatly explains to a man that the lady is beloved of your father is knowledge, but she is called mother is wisdom. Another example, when you introduced yourself as Mr. So and so with qualification, you reveal knowledge, but you leaves out many physical and mental possibilities. There is wisdom or a part of value education which you have. Certainly, your essence of personality lies in value education or in your wisdom.